Back to another spooky mail video. I'm super excited. So I got 2 packages today. So yeah, I have a lot more coming, but I got these 2 together, so decided just to do another one, just to do a mini video. So I'm gonna start with this one first. So I originally ordered a shirt from this company. Well, this girl that has this company, but they sold out my size, so I was really disappointed, but she was getting rid of them anyways, to restock for new stuff. So she gave me like this discount code, and so I decided to get something. I think it was like only like $6. No, I think it was cheaper than that. But it was super cute, and I thought I should get it. So I have it here. So this is what it looks like. Oh wait, here's the back. Here's the front, actually, thankfully. But yeah, that's what I ordered. Let me open up so I can show you guys better. So, she sent other stuff with this as well. Sorry that I keep looking down, guys. It's just so hard to open this up. I kind of bent the card a little bit. Okay. So, I just got these little, oh, here's a 10% gift card of your next order. It says thank you. Then this is the front. And then I got this one. It says Emily, thank you. And it says her name. Pretty cute. And then this is the cover thing. So, yeah, this kind of style isn't my style of like Halloween in a way. So just to let everyone know, like everyone has a type of Halloween. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah. So I thought this was a card, so it's actually not a card. It's just kind of like a postcard thing. I'm not really too sure, but it says, if you feel a chill, do not despair, for Halloween is in the air. And I thought this would just be so cute to like put in a picture frame, hang up, because I love hanging up my Halloween stuff. So I thought this was just like super cute, and I had to get it. So again, it has like a ghost, bat, jack-o'-lantern, owl, skeleton, black cat, broom, a witch, just all kind of stuff. They also have this as stickers as well, which I thought was really cool. But I decided just to get this postcard. So yeah, so this is just super cute. I love to hang up stuff. So yeah, I thought that would be fun to get. I think this was like $3, I think it was. So yeah, super nice. So then I have this package. This is actually the same company that I got my pumpkin queen sweatshirt that I had a very bad experience with, but I think 3 months later I reordered it and I finally got it. Even though that was my first order, but I ordered these socks with it. So I'm super excited to see this and have this, but they are Ouija socks. They're like high Ouija socks. I thought these would be so cute and comfortable to wear. I heard some bad review on these, so hopefully they don't fall apart, because that's what some people said. But they're just cute Ouija socks, and they're going to look cute with the pumpkin queen sweatshirt. That was kind of like the purpose of getting like all that stuff together. But as I said, I had a bad experience. I had to explain that in another video. But yep, these cute socks just have little Ouijas. With the Ouija board. Just really cute. And then she also sent this little gift bag thing. I got a Valentine's Day one the last time I ordered from her. So I'm gonna open this up, see what I have. Last time I got like lollipops. This is cute that she does this, to be honest. So inside the Easter bag, it is a coupon for your next purchase, 10 off. I got one of these last time, but I don't know what I did with it, so I'm gonna keep this one. So yeah, and that's the company. Is Not Your Average Babe. It used to be a different, I forget what it was, but it was a different name before, but she changed it. And again, I got 2 lollipops as well. So yep. So yeah, that's pretty much for it. I know that's kind of like a short video, but I just wanted to show you guys what I got, because, you know, I love Halloween, and I hope you guys enjoy watching these kind of videos. So yeah.